Revolutionizing cat care with Veline's self-cleaning litter box. Imagine a litter box that cleans itself. The Veline self-cleaning litter box takes the hassle out of cat care. With up to 15 days of no scooping, it's perfect for busy cat parents who want more time to cuddle and less time cleaning. Your cat's safety is the priority. This litter box features sensors, accident protection, and remote alerts for peace of mind. Monitor activity and track litter box health data using the intuitive app, designed for ultimate convenience and smarter caregiving. From petite kittens to giant feline friends, Veline's semi-closed design fits cats weighing 3.5 to 18 pounds. The roomy interior ensures your pets have a stress-free, comfortable toileting experience. Unpleasant odors are a thing of the past. The built-in deodorizing system keeps your home smelling fresh, while the detachable design ensures easy cleaning without tools. Ready to transform your pet care routine? Click the link in the description and discover why cat parents are raving about the Veline self-cleaning litter box. Make this innovation a part of your home today.